It's Wednesday, May 30th, and your stories today are South Korea to allow ICOs, ride-sharing on the blockchain in China, and Ukraine honors Satoshi Nakamoto. Hello world, you're watching The Comment on ETHNews. For your first story today, after South Korea banned initial coin offerings last September, the National Assembly of the Republic of Korea has come under fire from one of its own subcommittees for neglecting its oversight responsibilities regarding the expansion of blockchain and cryptocurrency. The subcommittee, known as the Fourth Industrial Revolution Committee, took advantage of a committee meeting on Monday to use a legislative process to criticize the South Korean government's response to both cryptocurrency and blockchain technology. An official recommendation was made by members of the National Assembly outlining circumstances under which ICOs could be allowed domestically in South Korea. With any luck, this latest committee meeting is the beginning of the South Korean government and its legislative body discussing matters such as blockchain and cryptocurrency with urgency. In other news, a future ride-sharing service in China will be using blockchain technology. Yang Jun, co-founder of Meituan, one of the largest discount apps in China, and Chen Weixing, CEO of app developer Feng City, will be teaming up to make the project come to life. No details as to which blockchain the service will be built on, and not exactly the first project to consider sharing cars on the blockchain. In fact, last August, EY, the consulting unit of Ernst & Young Global, launched a blockchain system that will allow companies and/or individuals to share vehicle ownership more easily. The system Tesseract should be launching next quarter. And this month, Toyota Research Institute announced a partnership with MIT researchers to create blockchain applications. But still no word from the DMV implementing blockchain technology to help move along those lines. I'll just be waiting on them to figure it out. And finally, according to Alexei Mushak, a member of the Ukrainian parliament, Ukraine is preparing legislation to legalize cryptocurrencies. A couple weeks ago, Mushak posted on his Facebook page, quote, "We go to the home stretch to create conditions for digital tokens and cryptocurrency in Ukraine. This is the outcome of many meetings and work of many people. There are many more nuances left to figure out. The final version will be ready in 2 weeks," unquote. So 2 weeks later, no final version yet, but in its place, a press release announcing a monument to Satoshi Nakamoto that will be erected in Ukraine. Talk about a total 180. Ukraine went from, nah, we can't trust our citizens with crypto, to we're almost done with new crypto regulations, but while you're waiting, here's a monument to honor the most prized figurehead in cryptocurrency, which, by the way, no one knows the identity of. Makes perfect sense to me. My 2 cents about the situation. I think Ukraine is trying to clean up their crypto reputation. Remember, up until now, Ukraine was where Pavel Lerner, leading blockchain expert and CEO of Exmo Finance, was kidnapped for $1 million ransom in bitcoins that was paid for from his digital wallet. Now it'll be known as the place with the Satoshi Nakamoto monument. Wonderful. That is our comment for the day, but what do you think? Will ICOs return to South Korea? Is blockchain technology the new Uber? And what's up with this monument? Will it just be a giant question mark on a Bitcoin or a guy with no face on it? What do you think? Tweet at me, have a wonderful day, and as always, don't forget to leave a comment. Join me back here on The Comment as I catch you up on the latest in Ethereum and blockchain. If you like this episode, let me know by clicking the thumbs up. If you didn't like this episode, let me know by clicking the thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Make sure you get all the newest episodes of The Comment as they air by clicking that alert button. That's that bell-looking thing next to the word subscribe. If you missed our latest episodes, you can catch up on ETHNews.com or on YouTube, or just subscribe so you don't miss them anymore, silly. Follow me on Twitter and Instagram at ETHNewsy. That's at ETHNewsSy. And we'll see you next time.